Textbook English versus natural English. I'm sorry, but I cannot come today because I have some work to do. Sorry, I can't make it today. I've got some things to take care of. I'm very tired because I did not sleep well last night. I'm really tired. I didn't sleep well last night. I don't know what should I do in this situation. I don't know what to do about this. I would like to know what are you planning to do this weekend? What are you planning to do this weekend? I have been waiting for you a long time. I've been waiting for you for ages. I forgot to bring my phone with me when I left home. I left my phone at home. I will contact you when I arrive at home. I'll call you when I get home. I don't have enough money to purchase this at the moment. I can't afford that right now. I'm currently looking for a new job because I want to improve my career. I'm looking for a new job because I want to grow in my career. I wasn't able to answer your call because I was taking a shower. Sorry, I missed your call. I was taking a shower. I haven't seen you for a very long time. I haven't seen you in forever. I don't understand what you are trying to say. I don't really get what you are saying. I have a lot of things to do today. I've got a lot going on today. Please wait here until I come back. Just hang on here until I get back. I didn't expect you to come here today. I wasn't expecting you to show up today. I need to leave because it's getting late. I've got to head out because it's getting late. I don't understand what you mean. I don't get what you mean. Both sentences are correct. The one on the right simply sound more natural in everyday conversation. I hope this helps you understand everyday English better and learn useful phrases you can use in real life. Thank you for watching.